Hi, welcome to DIY. I'm Lish, and in this episode I want to show you how to draft-proof an internal door. Often internal doors are left open to a cold bathroom or a laundry or an unheated room, and just having that cold air coming in all the time makes you obviously have to spend a lot more energy heating your house. So if you can draft-proof this door and keep it closed, it keeps the rest of the house cool, warm or cool. So first thing you want to do is start by cleaning around all the door frame where you're going to stick the draft sealing tape with a bit of metho. Right, now relax while it dries. Now there's lots of different types of draft proofing tape you can buy. It's quite flummoxing going down the draft proofing aisle. I'm today going to use this. It's a bit like a rubber. Looks got a bit of squashiness to it. Now peel the tape, stick it on. And you can see these door seals act by compression, so when the door pushes against it, it acts as a draft stop around that door. So we're going to put it up here along this edge, not like we have done on these bits along that edge, okay? Take our door seal, peel it back, and put it along this edge. Okay, so now we're just going to draft proof this little. Now I don't think I need to go all the way down on here because the door actually closed quite nicely down here, and I think if I take the tape all the way down, the door won't shut. So I'm just going to end it there, and then we'll be right. Right. Stay there, check this out. Not looking good. So, it's not shutting. Do not be alarmed. All you have to do, it just means that I've just got too much pressure on the bottom of that door, so I'm just going to take it off a little bit. Yep, and I can see it's just still too. Is this boring? Right, let's try that. Pretty confident. Aha. Perfect. That is a perfectly draft-proof door. Too easy. Do it yourself. Thanks for watching this DIY video. I'm Lish. There's heaps more on the website, greenityourself.com.au.